Write a short note on admission. The term admission refers to a statement made by a person that suggests an inference regarding a fact in issue or a relevant fact in a case. An admission may be oral, documentary, or contained in electronic form. Admissions are important in evidence law because they help the court in determining the truth of a matter and reduce the burden of proving certain facts. According to Section 15 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, an admission is a statement, oral or documentary, or contained in electronic form, which suggests any inference as to any fact, in issue or relevant fact, and which is made by certain persons and under specified circumstances. Admissions are generally considered relevant because a person usually does not make a statement against his own interest unless it contains some truth. However, an admission is not conclusive proof of the matter admitted, though it may operate as an estoppel in certain situations. Admissions are broadly divided into two categories. First, A. Judicial admission. Judicial admissions are formal statements made by a party during the course of judicial proceedings. Such admissions are made before the court and become part of the record of the case. They are fully binding upon the person making them, and generally no further proof of those facts is required. For example, in a civil suit, A admits before the court that he borrowed 50,000 rupees from B. Then B does not need to prove the fact separately. Such admission acts as a waiver of proof. Judicial admissions can form the basis of rights and liabilities of the parties and are considered strong evidence. Extrajudicial admission. Extrajudicial admissions are informal statements made outside the court proceedings. They do not appear in the court record and may be made before friends, relatives, business associates, or any other person. For example, if A tells his friend that he owes 50,000 rupees to B, this statement becomes an extrajudicial admission. Unlike judicial admissions, extrajudicial admissions are not fully binding. They are only partially binding and can be explained or contradicted by the person who made them. However, in some cases, they may create an estoppel and become fully binding. In Ajodhya Prasad versus Bhawani Shankar, the court observed that extrajudicial admissions are generally not conclusive but may become binding where they operate as estoppel. Thus, admission is an important concept under evidence law because it simplifies legal proceedings, reduces unnecessary proof, and assists the court in discovering the truth.